Good morning. I wanted to make a relatively short video on a sort of like an intra-week update on AUD Swiss. So last week and going to the weekend, I wanted to see if this was a valid total sweep or not, and I wanted to see if a previous swing low would be swept. And we did not only sweep the swing low, but we actually closed below it, confirming a possible shift in structure to the downside. So moving forward, I would like to see if we could create a lower swing high of some sort to verify this action, because any entry we find on a lower time frame, we can take it down to the opening price for the month at the EQ level and the 20 days low from there. So I'm mainly aiming for the 20 days low, but we'll see what the market has in store for us. So going down to the 4-hour chart at the total sweep area, we got a sweeping liquidity displaced lower, creating a swing low. I measured the swing high that swept liquidity to the swing low that was formed on the 4-hour time frame, and we can see that on the premium range, the premium portion of the range, we actually have this fair value gap in the form of a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, a CB in other words. So I decided to tag in my entry there and looking to see if we could get an expansion to the downside, and so far we've gotten the expansion. But as I said, my target and drawn liquidity is the 20 days low. So that's all that I have here on the Aussie. The NASDAQ, on the other hand, has traded into this daily buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So we've traded into this BC, and we can see that we have clearly tested and rejected from the consequence encroachment of this daily BC. And I'm not sure if this is the low of the week / month, but I'm wanting to see this area, this specific level, hold for higher prices. In other words, right now my drawn liquidity is this swing high, which is the all-time high. Looking for a confirmation on a lower time frame, in other words the 1 hour. Well, firstly, we did not go down as deep enough as I wanted for some level of discount, because last weekend I measured from the swing low to the swing high, and I said we're going to retrace back into the range, but I wanted to see if we could tag the 50%, which is this level, and this was where I was looking for a possible buy up to the all-time high again, but we didn't get that. And using this expansion that we got from the consequent encroachment of the daily fair value gap, and confirming a shift in structure when we took this swing high and closed above that swing high. So in other words, this became a valid market structure shift from a 1 hour perspective. So an entry inside of here, like this massive imbalance right now, could be taken as a possible buying opportunity to take NASDAQ to the all-time high. Of course, none of what I'm saying is financial advice in any way, but rather what I'm looking to see happen in price action. So we might see a push down into the lower portion of this fair value gap. Well, that would be ideal, but nothing forces the market to do such. So I personally would like to see if we could get an expansion from this area to the all-time high. For now, that's all I have. Stay safe. I forgot to mention that I uploaded this video a few weeks ago. It was on 2 weeks ago, on the 13th of February 2024. And it was essentially asking for help on backtesting, and essentially how I backtested some of the indices that I trade. So I wanted to mention the fact that well, firstly, the giveaway has been closed now. I was expecting more people to have done it and receive the reward that comes from it, but it's now closed. And for those wondering who might have won it, it's this comment down here that successfully backtested 300 days of data. So, and he has personally sent me his feedback to my Telegram chat, to my Telegram account. So yeah, just a quick announcement that someone has actually finished the backtesting assignment that I gave out. So yeah, just a quick little update. I will be sending the funded account to them, any platform of their choice, of course. So yeah, once again, stay safe, good luck, and good trading.